guys, I'm Phoebe and I love to cook. I've started this channel to share with you some of my favourite recipes that everyone is going to love. I'm just going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. They're simple, indulgent, and allow you to cook for all diets and lifestyles. We want it to be golden brown, and that's perfect. So whether gluten-free, vegan, or just looking to try something ridiculously delicious, this channel is for you. So subscribe and join me for my 12 days of Christmas with a twist, and come back in the new year for tons of new delicious treats.